Alright, we'll run through the procedure for donning and doffing. We'll start with donning, so I'm going to wash my hands first. Grab my gown, just dry my hands a bit. Make sure you get the right size of these. And when you open them up, you'll see you can pop your hands through. There'll be a tie for around your neck with a lot of them. Some are different, but if there is these things here. And then a second tie on the sides, which you can see here. So you just wrap it around yourself. There'll be, some of them have a long and a short. And just tie up on whatever side you need. Next up, a mask. You want to just, I'm going to use just a standard surgical mask, but if you're using something fancier, just make sure it's fitted correctly. Next up, your eyewear. So going to go with goggles. So just be aware that you'll get, I'll simulate it here by, you can see hopefully that it's fogged right up. So a couple of solutions to that is getting your nose right attached and leaving it a little bit open at the bottom. And that should fix it for me. Then gloves. Now another trip for young players, when you pop your gloves on, you'll notice, particularly if you're a bit taller or your gown's not the right size, you'll get a gap there between your wrist and the glove. You really want to make sure that your glove is going over the top of that, but that's not going to last very long, you know, if you're doing anything fancy and it rips out. So you can always tape that section up as well. Gloves on. So you can just put a bit of tape around that and we're good to go. If you need to wear a face shield as well, you can pop the face shield on last and we're good to go. So for the doffing, we obviously take our face shield off first and throw that one in the bin. Gloves next, just make sure you pinch at the wrist there and peel them back and then pinch again. And so you're only touching the inside. After that, you're going to want to wash your hands. To get rid of the gown, you can actually just, you don't have to untie them, you just rip it open, bring it down and bring your arms out. So that, again, you're not touching the outside, only the inside, and then rip from the back forward. That goes in the bin. Wash my hands again. Eyewear off. Wash my hands again. And then face, just grabbing from the loops. And we're doffed.